Hey everybody, this is Nemo, and in today's video we will see how to disable the top notifications in the Prestashop backoffice. This method equally applies to Prestashop 1.5 and 1.6 as we only have to modify the notification class. But before doing anything, why should we even need to get rid of those notifications? Well, if you run a big shop and say get plenty of customer registrations, messages, and orders, the notified items list will keep growing and growing, especially if you don't check it often. And say if you're lucky enough to have hundreds of orders per day, the items list can reach thousands in a week. And then at a certain point, you might be wondering why your back office is hanging all of a sudden. Well, it's usually because of that. So in many situations, it is not only advised but absolutely necessary to get rid of these notifications. So, of course, make sure that you enable the other new order notification on the mail alerts module if you do this, if you apply the tutorial. Otherwise, you might as well miss some of that. Now, let's get started. The modification itself is quite easy actually, and as you can see here at the top I have just one new order, so I wouldn't really need it. But anyway, let's open up classes notifications.php notification.php, and we're interested in the get last elements method. Within it, since this part is what's taking up most of the resources, we will simply ignore most of the function, and let's add right after the notifications array declaration for each this types as type notifications type equals array, and then of course we return notifications. Okay, save. So we basically return an empty array for all of these types, effectively saving us the time of querying the database for all those new elements. So let's go back to the admin panel and refresh. All right, it's gone. So you will notice that your previously hanging back office is not hanging anymore. Of course, given that it was because of this, you might have any other kind of issue. Now, in case you want them back, you can simply, obviously, just comment this out and the rest of the code would run. So, as you can see, it's pretty easy to take them back anyway. And lastly, make sure you use an override instead of modifying the core directly as I did if you're planning on updating your Prestashop. Okay, this is everything for today's quick video. As always, thanks for watching everyone. I will see you next time.